it wants to go that way, so it should pick a waypoint over this way. Hopefully dodge the, well, for the most part. And then once it finds the first waypoint, it should update, which it looks like it has. And it's now going to the second waypoint. Not down the ramp. Maybe it's a little confused. The shade, maybe the shade messed with it. And once again, we're trying to go that way. And you can see we're not holding an RC car remote. Hopefully it's kind of nice how it follows the, oh, it was following the line.
Oh shoot. We got a real car in there.
That's the exit. Oh, she chose a charging station, my bad. So I guess it's over that way. And as we get closer, we have a little flag on the back right side that should be raising as we get closer and closer. There, it just hit the second to highest spot.
All those obstacles. Look at that.
Oh wow. And look, it's almost at its location and it should stop. Oh! Yeah.
Dance sequence.
Dance sequence, okay.